Okay, we take our spacer and we push it onto our paracord. And at this point, it's a good idea to have it centered on your paracord. So grab it in the center here and make sure your both ends are even. You can set that down for a second, stack your plates up, and then with your plates stacked up, Trayvax being on your left side and the flange being towards you, put your spacer in the clip here, and you hold it with one finger while you're starting the lace on the top of the plates. Starting from the top and then turning it over and going to the next hole. And as you go to the next hole, making sure that your paracord's loose, not terribly loose, but the looser you have it, the more you're able to utilize the wallet right after you lace it. Continue lacing it all the way through. Alternating up and down. So at this point, now that your outside holes are all laced, you pull your plates apart, and this gives you access to push your paracord up into the flange and through those top two center holes here. So it takes a little bit of maneuvering to get the tip of the thread in there. And pull them through like that. Once you have them through, you can verify that you're even. At this point, you're going to do an overhand knot. Again, making sure that the cord is even and getting your knot nice and tight. After your knot's tight, clipping the tips off of the paracord, and then we finish it up with a melt. And that's it.